Good morning or good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to a new video on Cilinix Crypto. We'll do an update on Ethereum, mainly a technical update. We talked about some fundamentals, some economic related fundamentals in the Bitcoin video. I doubt that that's needed for Ethereum. I think it doesn't matter that much. I mean, we can talk about Ethereum while only talking about the technicals, I think, at least. So that's what we'll do. I think the market structure right now is pretty clear, and I do have a general idea of where Ethereum is going. Whether I'm right or not, that's something we'll see, all right? You never know. I mean, in the end, this is predicting, right? I don't know, you don't know. We just have to go off of what we can see and what we can analyze and what in the history has happened. So that is what we'll do. In general, I am able to do that, but we'll see, all right? So we'll just do a full update. Before we dive into Ethereum, though, I'm pretty good at convincing, aren't I? Before we dive into Ethereum, I do want to say that I have my own premium trading group as well. If you want to know more about that, see what you get, like for example, right here, you can see some examples of my own trades that I also send. Go to cilinix.com, or if you want to join, you can also check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. You can also join via the website, but I'll leave that up to you. And maybe I'll see you soon. But now onto Ethereum. All right, so what we've seen yesterday is basically the same as Bitcoin, all right? And it was also expected. I did not make an Ethereum update yesterday, I believe, but overall what happened, I mean, we just followed Bitcoin pretty much 100%, right? We went up to, if we would have to talk about Ethereum technically, is we got bullish momentum and we went up to the top of our range around 1875. From there we got rejected. We also got a bearish confirmation by dropping down below 1860, which is a minor key level. It's not that strong, but it's relevant if you drop down below that. And now we're heading down towards our major support level, which has held us up numerous times over the last weeks and a month and a half, and that's 1825. All right, that's also the level we dropped down to on Tuesday morning, and that's where we're dropping down to right now again. Now the big question is can we hold that or not? If you would have to look at the markets right now, dollar strength index is fairly strong, which is bearish for Ethereum. And Bitcoin is dropping quite hard. Like it doesn't look like there's much bullish momentum for Bitcoin at all. Well, there was a little bit of an English accent. So yeah, overall, I mean, Ethereum is dropping down to 1825. I suppose we could find some support there, but the market structure, and I also created some sort of a channel, which technically isn't correct, but it's just to visualize it a little bit more. Excuse me. So I created a channel. You can see right now that we are, and we've been talking about that for a couple of days already, maybe for a week. You can see that the general direction is down, all right? So perhaps we can find some support at 1825. I think that's likely, but I do expect in the coming few days that we'll also drop down below that. And then this trend line, or at least this level around, well, what is it? 1800 and 1810. Will provide some support, but I think it will only provide support to get some sort of a retest from that 1825, 1840 level to confirm the downtrend and to confirm bearish momentum, and drop down to our major support level, which in my eyes at this point of time is 1775, where we have the 0.618 fib of the entire move up. And just in general, it's a strong key level, as you can see. So I am considering buying from there, but until we drop down there, my general direction and my general bias is down. All right, so that's my take on Ethereum for now. If you do have any questions, if you're interested in more analysis like these, then consider subscribing. And for now, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next videos, and bye.